In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to shape an image here in Canva. So I have this image just here. Now let's say we wanted to turn this into a circle, a square, or even a triangle. Now the way to do this is by utilising Canva's frames. Now to find Canva's frames, we're going to come over to Elements. We then want to scroll down all the way to where we see frames just here. If we click on there, we have lots of different options, but we're going to click on basic shapes. If we click on here, these are all the shapes that we can use. Now let's go ahead and do a circle. We'll move that there. And let's go ahead and do a triangle as well. And we'll move that there. Now let's just go ahead and duplicate this twice as well, because all we have to do is drag our image into the frame, and now we have our image as a shape, and we can do that with this one as well. Now there are a few features that we also have. We can, if the image does not look right, double click on the image, then we can crop to wherever we want, then click done. We can do that on any frame as well, just like that. We can also add borders to these, and there's a few different border styles as we can see. Let's click on the solid, and if we play with this bar, it's going to increase the border weight. If we want to change the border color, we can click on this little black circle, and then we can choose the color that we want, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to shape an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.